Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a new offering from our friends over at Dryfiremag. One of the cool things that they do send out with a lot of their mags is one of these little stickers. I'm a big fan of these stickers. It's probably going to wind up somewhere back here on my cabinet. Now, I started off with the basic Dryfiremag. This is the one that I purchased myself. This specific model will work for your G43X as well as the G48. Now, this one does not have any specific electronics. There's nothing to charge. You're just going to insert this into your firearm and use it no differently than a standard magazine. Now, one of the cool things that it does have here is this little rail system that allows you to mount something. Say, for instance, if you're using the Mantis system, the X10, X3, or one of those, it'll mount right on here, which is really nice. So this is the original system that I train with pretty much on a daily basis. The new system that just came out, let me show you guys what you get. So in the box, you're going to get this nice little travel pouch. We'll come back to that. There's some documentation in here. You also receive your dowel and also the USB-C cable for charging this guy up. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So this little dowel right here is so that you can push the laser out once you've seated it inside of the barrel. That comes with it. You also get a replacement spring and also an Allen key and a standard USB little plug here. This is USB-C to USB-A for charging it. Okay, let's see what else is inside. Mostly documentation. Looks like there is an app that you can install, for training. That comes in handy. Let's see what do we got here. So this is just kind of a rundown, a smart magazine. This is just a manual to help you get everything set up once you get started, how to install it, where to put the battery, all of that kind of cool jazz comes in here. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in this little pouch. I like it has a little strap on here. I don't know how many guys will walk around with that, but it is there. All right, so first thing we notice when we first open it up, here is the laser that you're going to actually insert. It also has two batteries, as you guys can see here. We'll come back to those. And here is our magazine. We'll take a look at that here in a second as well. As well as it comes with a variety of different springs, depending on what your trigger pull is like, so you can adjust those as you need to. I think that's pretty much everything that's in here. I'm curious, will this dowel fit in here? Can we fit the dowel? Yes. Okay, so we can put the dowel in there if you want to and just keep everything inside of that little pouch. Now, the first thing that I noticed, there's a slight difference in the color. But let's take a closer look at that. So as you guys can see, there's a slight difference in the color of these two magazines. Okay, this one is very bright orange, and this one is more of like a burnt orange. Now, if you look really closely here, you can see where the USB-C plug is right here. This one has the cutout for it, but there's no USB plug for this one. This one is going to communicate with your laser. Okay, so this one, when you fire it, you'll be able to control the laser. It'll trigger the laser to go on and off. Okay, that's really handy. Pretty much everything else about them are the same, as you guys can see here. All right, so let's put the battery inside of the laser. So let me show you guys how that goes. So simply enough, just going to open this guy up. And you will find your laser. Now this does have the little washer on here. This back here normally would be what it would depress, but that's not going to be the same for this style because there's nothing that's actually pressing up against. So let's open this guy up and see if we can get our batteries inside. And so to determine the front, this is the top, this is the bottom of the battery. So we're just going to press those in like so. I think it only takes one battery. Yep, I think it's only one because I saw the laser turn on. All right, so there we go. Now we have the one battery on. And if we click this, so here's the laser. It does come with a spare battery. This is my Glock 48 MOS. Now this one has been checked. There's no ammo, no magazine, nothing like that. We're good to go. So you're just going to take your laser like so. You're going to insert this guy. Just drop it and slide it in like so. And you'll see its seat right in here. And then you can just lower your slide. Then you're going to take this guy, mount it, just like a regular magazine. First trigger pull is going to be a little hard. After that, you'll have your standard trigger pulls. So if you're training with the Mantis system or a different system, whichever system you're using, and you want to be able to project a laser and also, keep track of all of your different shot metrics and stuff like that, this is, in my mind, one of the best all-in-one systems. And yes, I know it's two different systems combining, but sometimes that just is what it is. So you'll find things that just, work together, and you'll pick what works for you. And like I've said in many of the videos, I have been using the Dryfire magazines for quite some time. I train with these literally every single day. So if you're looking for a very efficient way to train, if you don't need the laser, then you could probably just go with the standard Dryfire magazine. But if you want all the bells and whistles, this is going to be the system that you definitely want to take a look at. So that's the magazine. I'm going to now remove the laser. This is where the dowel comes in. So you would take this little wooden dowel right here, and then it allows you to push the laser out, and then you can free it up. And now you can take that out of the firearm that you're training with. So really nice system, guys. I'll be doing quite a few videos on this system going forward, using it with the Mantis system. So let me show you guys really quickly how the Mantis X10 mounts onto this. For those who may not have seen it or been kind of on the fence, how you would use the Mantis system with it. So the Mantis system does come with a few accessories, but the most important component is going to be this component right here. And all you need to do here, because this already has the rail system attached, you just slide this guy on like this, and you're going to line it up. And then now you have your Mantis X10 on here. This is going to go into the firearm, and you're going to be able to also use it with the laser from this kit. All right, guys, so this system, again, is from Dryfiremag. Definitely take a look at this. If you are into training at home, if you're looking for a way to save a little bit of money on live ammo, this could be an option for you. This does require charging, but you guys will get used to that. Like everything in our lives requires some type of charging over time. So does this as well. So definitely check this guy out. I think this is an excellent system for dry fire training. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.